केन्ना प्रेस नोट वाचिना पूण प्रेस नोट आमी आयज सकाळी रिलीज केल्लो रिबटिंग ऑल व्हॉट चीफ मिनिस्टर आणि भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे ट्राय टू ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न आणि हाका आमी हेडिंगूच दिले डोंट ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न माय वर्ड्स फॉर पॉलिटिकल गेन लेट अस हैव ओपन डिबेट हे आमी चॅलेंज केले मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत whatever I have spoken yesterday in what context and what place it is in public domain and I challenge करता chief minister आता जी team आसा पळय choose the date, choose the time, choose the place. I am ready to come and debate not only on the murder of constitution what you are trying, also on crime, law and order problem, unemployment, crime against women, three-linear projects, destruction of our environment. असे खूपशे मुद्दे आसात. ड्रग्स, मर्डर, रेप्स, हे सगळे मुद्दे परते विचारता. परते तांकां विचारता म्हण they are rattled. Wherever we are going, they are getting a positive, tremendous response. And तांचे intelligence तांकां सांगला. They are getting rattled and ह्या खातीर they are trying to pick selectively some words from my speech yesterday, twist, turn and try to divert the focus of the people. जे मुद्द्याचेर आमी आयज